Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into a crucial topic, heart health. Your heart works tirelessly to keep you going, so it's essential to give it the love and care it deserves. One of the best ways to do that is by being mindful of what you eat. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 foods you should avoid for a healthier heart. Let's dive in. First up on our list are trans fats. Trans fats are a type of unsaturated fat that undergoes a process called hydrogenation, which transforms liquid oils into solid fats. This process increases the shelf life and stability of foods, making them appealing to food manufacturers for use in a wide range of processed and packaged products. Unfortunately, it has been discovered that trans fats are especially detrimental to heart health. In contrast to other fats, trans fats cause a decrease in HDL cholesterol, often known as good cholesterol, in addition to an increase in LDL cholesterol, which is commonly referred to as bad cholesterol. This dual blow can greatly raise the chance of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to check the labels and steer clear of anything containing trans fats. Next, let's talk about sodium. Sodium plays a vital role in the body by helping to regulate fluid balance, maintain nerve function, and support muscle contractions. However, consuming too much sodium can have detrimental effects on cardiovascular health, primarily through its impact on blood pressure. Your body holds on to more water to dilute the sodium in your system when you eat a lot of sodium. Your blood vessels are under more pressure due to this increase in blood volume, which can result in hypertension or high blood pressure. High blood pressure raises the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems over time by putting strain on the heart and blood vessels. The average adult should aim to consume no more than 2,300 milligrams mg of sodium per day, with an ideal limit of 1,500 mg for those with high blood pressure, kidney disease, or other risk factors for heart disease. Be mindful of the amount of salt you're adding to your meals, and try to limit your intake of processed foods, which are often loaded with sodium. A word of caution: before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Now, let's address added sugars. We all love our sweet treats, but consuming too much added sugar can be detrimental to our heart health. Foods and beverages high in added sugars can contribute to weight gain, increase triglyceride levels, and raise the risk of heart disease. Keep an eye out for hidden sugars in items like sodas, candy, baked goods, and even some seemingly healthy snacks. Moving on, let's discuss saturated fats. These fats are commonly found in animal products like red meat, butter, and cheese. While saturated fats aren't inherently evil, consuming them in excess can raise your LDL cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. Similarly, like trans fats, they're often found in processed foods and should be limited in your diet. Last but not least, let's talk about processed and red meats. While they may be tasty, indulging in bacon, sausage, and other processed meats too frequently can have serious consequences for your heart. These meats are high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can clog your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease. Opt for lean protein sources like fish, poultry, and legumes instead. Folks, there you have it. You may significantly improve your heart health by avoiding the top 5 foods: trans fats, sodium, added sweets, saturated fats, and processed red meats. Recall that it is about making deliberate decisions that promote your well-being rather than depriving yourself. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful in order to receive more heart-healthy lifestyle advice. Till then, be careful and give your heart health first priority. For now, bye.